Hello guys, welcome back and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So we'll be continuing with our Materia Medica flashcard series for 3rd BHMS, wherein the next drug which we'll be covering is tabacum through a flashcard. Tabacum, common name tobacco, kingdom plantae, miasm which it covers is psychotic miasm. Thermally, the patient is ambithermal towards hot and proves Dr. Lemke and Dr. Schetter. Ailments from of tabacum. Abuse of tobacco, which is again very important and very general in patients who eat regular tobacco. Masturbation at sea, shock, violent physical exertion. Borix Materia Medica introduction. So the symptomatology of tabacum is extremely well marked. The most characteristic symptoms are nausea, giddiness, death-like pallor, vomiting, icy coldness, and sweat with the intermittent pulse of tabacum. Marked antiseptic qualities, and it is antidotal to the cholera germs. Complete prostration of the entire muscular system, and there's a picture of collapse. Gastralgia, enteralgia, seasickness, cholera infantum is again very important in tabacum. Cold but wants abdomen uncovered is a keynote. The patient is generally cold, but he always wants the abdomen uncovered. It produces high tension plus arteriosclerosis of coronary arteries, and it is one of the best drugs to be used for angina pectoris with coronaritis. There is high tension there again present. So the sphere of there is also constriction of throat, chest, bladder and rectum, which is well marked in tobacco. Sphere of action. The sphere of action of tobacco is basically on nerves, especially the vagi and the nerves of heart, urinary system, eyes, GI tract and bladder and rectum. Constitution. Patient is emaciated, pale, blue, sunken, types emaciation of the cheek and back, sometimes deathly paleness and covered with cold sweat. Now we look into some of the guiding symptoms of tabacum. Deathly nausea, vomiting and giddiness with death-like pallor is keynote of tabacum. Vertigo on opening eyes, icy coldness of surface covered with cold sweat, weak, faint, sinking feeling at pit of the stomach. Child wants abdomen uncovered, which relieves nausea and vomiting. There is profound seasickness found in this remedy, which is aggravated by least motion and relieved on deck in fresh cold air. Excessive wretchedness and great despondency is seen in tabacum patients. Symptoms occur in paroxysms like asthma, sea headaches, vertigo, and sneezing. There is palpitation which is violent when lying down on left side, goes off when the patient turns to the right side. Least motion aggravation is hallmark feature of tabacum patient. Least motion aggravates nearly all complaints. The heart symptoms of tabacum are again very important, could be asked for 5 markers. There is dilatation of heart caused by shock or violent physical exertion, angina with high tension, sensation of constriction of the throat with tightness feeling across the upper part of the chest, and the pain radiates from center to the sternum. Very important symptoms of tabacum, and these symptoms need to be remembered while we write our 5 markers for the heart complaints of tabacum as well. The pulse of tobacco. Pulse feeble, imperceptible and intermittent. And finally the modalities. The aggravating factors are from motion, from lying on left side, from heat in warm room, extremes of heat and cold, and ameliorating factors open fresh cold air, uncovering from cold application. So this was guys tabacum through a flashcard in a nutshell. I hope this video helps you out to revise tobacco before your examinations, and if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It will motivate us to make more and more such videos for you all. So I'll see you in the next video of this series. Until then, goodbye and take care. Thank you.